Start walking again. Lumipat lang kami ng pwesto. So we just changed the view. We just changed the location. But still the what you call it? Karugtong. So konyo na naman. So we're here again. The continuation of Lake Tahoe. And see that. Just go ahead. And that's it. Diba? So ganda. And for sure. The what?
You got him a dress up.
I got another song.
Oh, you can use that one.
Yeah, it's probably dry. Don't touch it, Liddell.
I'm not gonna touch it. So, tignan mo. Oh, diba? See. Mm-hmm. You can do swimming. Look at the rocks. So see, you can do swimming here. So very clear. So nice. Susuong kami ngayon sa kagubatan. Ayan na. Ang Mapuno Bow. What? Oh, wow. So nice. Mas magandang view dito. And then, mas malaki yung space niya. May place siya para you can do your picnic, yung bonding with your family, friends, like that. And this is also like a kayaking spot. So dito nagsisimula yung pagkakayak. And then if you wanted to go further down there, so you see that that rock. Okay. And then you see there's a lot of people do the kayaking. See, may enjoy mo talaga kasi aside from big trees, napaka-clear talaga ng tubig, like as I always say. Diba? And one of the spot here. See? So nice talaga. Pero kung medyo matatag ka naman sa lamig, you can swim. Okay. At punta tayo doon. Lipat lang natin ang pwesto. So you see that rock down there. Yan. Pwede mag-swimming ang mga bata. Ang mga bagets.